Fundamental analysis. So these are the basic points which a retail investor or institutional investor has to keep in their mind before investing in any kind of crypto project. So these are the basic things. There are no certainty that only these amount of things are to be looked at, and it is not certain that if these are good, the project will skyrocket. So basically you have to look after team, the people who are behind that project, the people who have invested in it, how their social media presence it, because social media presence is what will make the hype of the project and will make it a successful one. And are they solving any major problem which are currently exist in the crypto market? So if these questions are answered and they are up to a satisfactory mark, I think fundamental analysis is done and you can go ahead with the project.